Hello students, hope you all are fine. In our previous video, we were doing chapter 6, A Night in June, and we have completed this poem. Today we will do question answers of this poem. Before this, first we will do a quick recap of a summary. A Night in June, William Wordsworth is a poet. In this poem, A Night in June, the poet William Wordsworth describes about the beautiful night of summer in London. It means this poem is about summer seasons in London. In June, the sun takes long time to set. That time, two or three stars are coming out. Little birds are chirping among the bushes and trees. Chirping here means making sounds. One or two songbirds and a cuckoo are singing. Cuckoo is a type of bird. One or two songbirds and a cuckoo are singing. A far off wind and flowing water make sounds. A loud cry of cuckoos fills up the spaces in the sky. Means the sound of cuckoo and the sound of moving wind and the flowing water fills the spaces in the sky. These all sounds gives a great pleasure to the poet, like the sounds of birds chirping, water gushes, and the soft moving wind, which is played by Mother Nature, fills the spaces of the sky. The poet uses here two human activities in the poem, like go parading. Parading means marching like you do in your school campus, and masquerading. He says that the night looks beautiful in half moon and praises the beauty of Mother Nature. In this poem, the poet is praising all the beauties of nature. Here are difficult words you have to write in your fair copies. The first word is piping, which means singing. Bushes, a small plants with many branches. Cuckoo, a type of bird. Thrushes, a small brown bird. Gushes, moving quickly. Sovereign, majestic. Masquerading, party or dance in which people wear masks. Bliss means complete happiness. Now, here are question answers. You have to write in your fair copy. So, A. Answer these questions with reference to the contest. Question 1. Fills all the hollow of the sky. A question. What fills the hollow of the sky? The sound of wind, water, and cuckoo's cry fills the hollow of the sky. B. Why is the sky called hollow? Why the poet is saying that the sky is hollow? The sky is called hollow because it has many spheres which is empty. Now see, where does it fill the sky? It fills the sky because sky is empty, so the sound waves are reflected back like an echo. Question 2. And all these innocent bliss on such a night as this is. What are the bliss being referred to? The bliss being referred to is spiritual joy. Why are they innocent? They are innocent because it is natural. Just before these lines, what two things does the poet refer to which may not be innocent bliss? The two things which may not innocent bliss are go parading and masquerading. Here some mistake is there. Here B will come. Okay, the two things which may not be. Okay, add B here. Innocent bliss are go parading and masquerading. Now here comes 3 question. Who would go parading in London and masquerading? A question. Explain the use of quotes in these two lines. The use of go parading tells us about the sky, which is going in same direction with all beautiful things, and masquerading here means false show or appearances which may not be natural. B question. A. First one. How do we know that it is not late night? Answer. We come to know that it was not late night because in June the sun takes long time to set. That time 2 or 3 stars are coming out, little birds are chirping. Second question. What is poet's purpose behind using sound imagery in the poem? Poet's purpose behind using sound imagery is to express the beauty of summer night. Which two human activities does the poet refer to be in the poem? The two human activities in the poem are go parading and masquerading. So they both are human activities which we do. Fourth, why do we think the cuckoo's call is called sovereign? The cuckoo's call is called sovereign because cuckoo's cry is loud enough to fill the sky and so seems superior to the other sounds. So now students, we have completed all the question answers of this poem. Now it's your homework that you have to write question answers in your fair copy with their difficult words and with their meaning, and you have to write your name, class with section on a comment section below the video. Then only you will be marked as present, and if you will not write your name, class and section, then you will be marked as absent. So write your name, class on the comment section below the video. Now we will meet in our next class. Till then, be safe and stay at your home. Thank you.